Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Time for a bit of cleanup. Now I've got some wood cut up into rack size to fit these racks over here. And I'm going to pick those up, and the rest of it, anything that isn't cut as of today, well, except this big one, I'm just going to chuck it in the fire, burn it all up, and be done with it. I've been working around this mess for too long. Bending over is not my favorite thing to do, so I found that using a fork seems to work pretty well. Kind of handy having the wood stove take 24-inch. Actually, it'll take 25.5-inch maximum size pieces of wood. But if I cut them about 24, I've got room to get them in there. And there's a lot less cutting. I used to have to cut them 18 inches. Fireplace in the house, it can handle 24 twos, but I usually use the shorter ones for that. That way they don't take up so much room in the living room. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.